Hello friends, today in this video I'm going to show you how to remove viruses from Windows 11 PC for free. So guys, just follow some easy steps. Click on start, then click on settings. Now in here guys, click on privacy and security. Now click on Windows security. Now click here virus and threat protection. Now guys, you have to turn on virus and threat protection. You can scan, and there are some options like quick scan checks folders in your system where threats are commonly found. Full scan checks all files and running programs on your hard disk. This scan could take longer than 1 hour. And also custom scan, choose which files and locations you want to check. And Microsoft Defender offline scan. Some malicious software can be particularly difficult to remove from your device. Microsoft Defender Offline can help find and remove them using up-to-date threat definitions. This will restart your device and will take about 15 minutes. So select as you need, then click on scan now. Now wait till this scanning procedure will be complete. So hopefully guys you like this video, and by these simple and easy steps we can know how to scan and how to remove viruses from Windows 11 PC or laptop. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method useful for you or not.